Good evening. As New Mexico COVID cases hit an all-time high today at 1,082, lawmakers from one of the communities hit the hardest is asking for more help from the state. News 13's Courtney Allen joins us live from home with details. Courtney.
Jess, Doña Ana County representatives say lines for testing are 200 cars deep, hours before the sites even open, and they need more resources to help fight this pandemic.
Senator Joseph Cervantes says there is a crisis in southern New Mexico.
My concern is that the communities that I represent get forgotten when it comes to the resources of the state of New Mexico.
According to Dr. David Scrace, Bernalillo and Doña Ana counties are the two counties with major COVID growth. Today, Bernalillo County reported 260 new cases. Doña Ana reporting 248, even though Cervantes says Doña Ana is just a third of the population.
I'm not at all surprised by the numbers here, and nobody really should be.
Cervantes says he predicted months ago that there would be problems in southern New Mexico, asking the state for more testing, as many border communities are right next to El Paso, where hospitals are currently overwhelmed with COVID patients.
We shop in El Paso, we work in El Paso, vice versa.
Cervantes says people are now even getting tested in El Paso due to lack of testing in Doña Ana County. The Department of Health's website shows 10 sites across all of Doña Ana County compared to 16 in just Albuquerque.
In Las Cruces, for example, we might be able to get in 2 days a week for testing, and even then only for limited hours.
Dr. Scrace says the area is seeing a significant increase in cases.
But almost a third of the cases in Doña Ana County over the course of the pandemic, maybe that's not fair, maybe it's like 28 or 30%, have occurred in the last 2 weeks.
The state now says it's planning a testing surge for southern New Mexico next week.
It's never too little too late, but it certainly should have been planned and put into operation much earlier.
Cervantes says people are waiting 2 weeks to get their test results back from Texas, so he believes the county's COVID numbers are behind and are possibly higher than what the state is reporting. He wants New Mexico leadership to work with the city of El Paso and state of Texas on a better response. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Courtney. Dr. Scrace said today that Lieutenant Governor Howie Morales is doing a tour of southern New Mexico next week to assess what else the state can do there.